In this video, we're going to be analyzing Mutlivac price and essentially be seeing where the price is going. As of the past few days, it has been moving much. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 500 subs, as well as that before investing into Mutlivac. Please do your own research as a non-financial advisor. So as you can see on CoinMarketCap, Mutlivac is down 3.17% over the last 24 hours. You can see on the chart here that you've seen we were overall bullish. We're in the bullish territory, and then we had a little distribution phase that did occur, which led to us dropping into the bearish zone. So yeah, it just depends on how it is. But if we quickly check on the weekly, we can see that there's not been any major price movements. We did have an impulse up, and then we did drop back down, and then now we're just been consolidating, moving towards the right. Nothing major, pretty much within a zone. But we'll check more in depth on TradingView. So if we quickly check on the monthly, we can see that we are overall in the bearish territory. It just depends on how the current market conditions are of Bitcoin as well. This also does play a huge part, as Bitcoin did drop tremendously, and pretty much the whole market did drop. But if we check on the quarterly, we pretty much went from 0.025% all the way down to 0.06468. So yeah, it's a huge drop, but it just depends on Mutlivac and the development team and how they are. If we quickly check on the yearly, we can see that we're still in green area. So yeah, more of the long-term investment this coin is. But if we quickly check on the overall market, you can see the overall market is down 3.9% of the last day, as well as that the global crypto market cap is at 1.6 trillion. We're still below the 2 trillion mark. You can see Bitcoin here 3.37k, which is down 2.76% over the last 24 hours. You can see Ethereum here trading around 2.5k, which is also down 3.35%. On the weekly, you can see that they are up 5.81 and 5.36. So pretty much just depends on how Bitcoin is, because Bitcoin was roughly at 50k and now it's at 37. Did reach the lows of 33. So yeah, but if we quickly check on Mutlivac Twitter page, you can see that they did post no had gas fees, no congestion, no reason to wait, come join the MTV family. So yeah, hopefully we can get more events on the all-dimensional sharding flexible blockchain. Hopefully get more investments, and yeah, they've got huge funding available for Mutlivac, but it just depends on how it is. But if we really check before we go to the market, Mutlivac, we can see that they haven't been listed on many exchanges. The likes of KuCoin, Gate.io, they're the only main ones. But if you get the likes of Crypto.com, Coinbase, Binance, the likes of them, then we could have a huge increase in the market, a huge increase on the market price. This is mainly due to the fact that the circulating supply is only 3.59 billion. This coin does have the potential to definitely reach $1, but it's currently at micro market cap is still at 23 million. It just depends on how the overall market is, and how the projects on the sharding, the flexible blockchain is. So yeah, but if we quickly check on TradingView, we can see. Let's quickly look on the weekly. So as you can see, we were at this region a few weeks ago. We did make an all-time high, and then we did drop. I think this was mainly due to Bitcoin, and these past few weeks as well due to Bitcoin as well. In my opinion, I think that if we can stay above around about this region, this support zone, let's quickly check. So this is the support zone that I mainly feel like that we would see. Some people would see this as a double bottom, and then possibly be seeing, oh yeah, look, we're making a reversal. If we drop down to the 4 hour, we can see a little accumulation phase being played out, and you can see here that we have made the low test, and then now we're just making lows. But if we get an arrow and we can just possibly be seeing this, hopefully we can have a breach above past these. Possibly be, my main target would possibly be this high. Mainly due, I wouldn't consider this as a high as it didn't break previous structure, as this high pretty much made the new lower low, so I would pretty much be waiting for this. But it just depends on how the overall market is. But if we quickly check on Bitcoin, we can see that Bitcoin is slowly rallying himself up. But if we quickly take a Fibonacci retracement and we see what is happening, so as you can see from here to all the way here, you can see that Bitcoin did reach its key area at the point 618, which is a strong reversal zone, strong resistance zone, or however you want to say it. So we could possibly be seeing a lower low, but in my opinion, I do not think so. Hopefully we can take out these lows, pretty much mitigate this, and then from then on we could possibly see some bullish intent coming through. So yeah, but other than that, that's about it for today. If we quickly check on Mutlivac, so yeah, here that's about it in my opinion. Hopefully we could possibly be reaching 0.013 if this accumulation phase does play out properly. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 500 subs now.